She's so mean.
No, for me, you can dip your sauce.
Hello everybody, hey, it's David here. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you give us a thumbs up, you subscribe and share our videos. I would greatly appreciate that. Hey, today, as you can see, I'm back in the kitchen. And Loriely wanted me to make flan. Now, I've made a lot of desserts over the years, but I gotta admit, I've never made flan before. So I did find a recipe, and I watched some videos, of course, on YouTube. And thank you for all you folks who have flan videos on YouTube. They were very helpful. But as you know me, I am going to modify the recipe. I'm not going to make traditional Spanish flan or just flan. I'm going to turn this into something a little different. And let me first tell you about my ingredients. So we're going to use sugar, of course. And the sugar we're going to melt down to caramelize. And then we have our eggs, so we're staying with that one. We do have sweetened condensed milk, so we're keeping that ingredient. Traditionally, it calls for evaporated milk. Now, I'm going to get rid of that. Who needs that? Instead, I'm going to use some coconut cream, coconut milk, instead of the evaporated. I'm also going to use some lime and mango flavoring versus the vanilla extract you're supposed to put in it. I'm going to use mango. The other thing I'm going to do, which is going to be a little different, is when I layer my caramelized sugar here in my pie pan, I'm actually going to use some coconut with brown sugar on top of it. So I'm going to do the caramelization, sprinkle this on top, and then I'll put the egg mixture on top of that. And that's pretty much it. So let me get started. Hey everybody, it's David and
Loriely from Philippine American Couple.
That's right. So I finally finished my flan, and now it's time for Loriely to do the taste test of my beautiful flan.
How many times you cook the flan?
Just once.
Just once.
Because I'm a master chef. Don't be laughing.
Just once. How many trials you take?
Just one.
Ooh, so
Look how beautiful that flan
Look
is.
to the camera.
Oh, don't rip it everywhere.
You see, it's flawless. Did you order this? Not, I guess, because we had a black eye.
Can't order anything. We're on quarantine. Oh, look how beautiful that is.
How are you guys doing there with the quarantine? We're making I know David is making a flan.
So Loriely was wanting flan, as I told you guys earlier. So I made her some flan. This is the first time I ever made it. You don't like my flan?
No, your first time.
Well, yeah, I've never made flan before. I've eaten it. I don't really like it, but you wanted it, so I made it. So it's no good?
Hey,
See how mean she is?
one thing I can advise you guys, keep practicing. It makes you perfect.
I don't think she likes my flan.
It's good! Finally.
Let's see if I ever make you any food again. No food for Loriely.
It will be a good thing.
Who out there would like for me to cook for them? If you would like to have some good food, you just let me know and I'll cook for you, since Loriely doesn't care for my beautiful flan.
Oh, your caramel is really good. Even. It is. You should video the other one. Hey guys, there's always secret behind the kitchen.
I have the videos of me making it. I showed them. It'll be in here. I really don't like flan.
This is the best flan made.
But it's good. It tastes just like flan to me.
Alright guys, this is the best flan that David made. You can comment your below, I will answer it.
Is this the best flan you've ever had?
No, you ever made?
No, that you've ever had.
It's a perfect one, that's good. I told you. See how really flawless it is? There's no bubbles like.
Technique. It's all about the technique.
Okay, what did you learn?
What did I learn? Oh.
Why it's not bubbly compared to you?
I learned a lot making the flan.
Okay, you tell your advice on them.
I learned that you can burn the sugar really easy. So
and it become bitter?
Yeah, if you overcook it, it becomes bitter. I didn't know that.
That's already proven?
I've never worked with sugar like that before. Because just haven't. And 2, I've learned that my wife is very mean to me. Very cruel and makes fun of my food.
No,
even though I cook for her.
No, I'm just telling the truth. So, how you learn from the process of not having those big
you gotta like blend it really well.
Finally, someone listened to it. Then, after
okay, here's how you make flan.
Okay, why don't you just tell the viewers what you have learned to make this really fancy flan?
I've learned a lot. I learned how to make it. I've never made it before.
So I got 2 husbands here. See? You're lying.
Do you have the virus? Yeah.
Alright, guys.
The secret is in blending it very well. The other secret is to let it naturally cool down.
I have a patient doing it.
Yeah, you gotta have patience. It takes forever
and learn from your mistake.
It's really easy to make. It just takes forever to let it cool down so that you can flip it. And that's irritating, but...
And you will not stick on the pan.
Well, if you don't like it...
No, it's good. I'm just telling you. Finally. I told you the 3rd time will be the good one.
Because, you know, I can give your food to the dogs. Our wiener dog... The wiener dog girls appreciate everything I cook.
I told you guys it's hard for me to appreciate. And now it's really good. Finally.
Flan. Who knew?
Cheating. Nice cut.
Maybe I'll get a nice wife.
With a big eye. That's a signature.
It is. I did that intentionally.
That's what I'm saying. That's a signature.
I was trying to represent, you know, the heritage of the flan coming from down under.
Oh, from the egg?
Right. Right.
See?
So you get it. She's so mean.
No, for me, you can dip your sauce.
That was my intent.
You see that?
Yeah.
That's your dipping sauce.
That was my whole intention of that particular dip it. So.
Alright, guys.
Take care. See you soon.
Have a good day.